Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
I'll show how to crochet a Romanian cord in this tutorial from Naztazia. This cording can be used for a purse handle, belt, bracelets, and more. To begin, I'm using a 3mm cotton cording plus a 6.5mm size K crochet hook. First, make a slip knot, but keep it a bit loose. Then, chain 2. Skip that first chain, and in the second chain, make a single crochet stitch. Keep note that that slip stitch should still stay a bit loose, and we will be working with it shortly. Turn the work to the other side. Take note of that loop on the side. We're going to insert our crochet hook into that loop. Then we're going to reach over to that slip knot and insert the crochet hook into it. Then make a single crochet stitch in both of those loops. Things are going to look a little messy at this point, but after a few more stitches, the pattern will start to form. Turn the work again to the other side. Take note of those 2 loops on the side. Insert the crochet hook into those 2 side loops and then make a single crochet stitch. After that is completed, we'll repeat the process. Turn the work again and take note of those 2 loops that are on the side of the previous stitch we just made. Insert the crochet hook into those 2 loops and make a single crochet stitch. And then again, after that is completed, we'll repeat this process again. Continue with turning the work, inserting the crochet hook into the 2 side loops, and making a single crochet stitch. At the end, the cord should look something like this. Fasten off and weave in all ends. And that's it. That's the Romanian cord technique with a tutorial from Naztazia.